We've returned to the Mornington Peninsula to show you our Blairgowrie Two project. My name's Marika, I'm a Senior Design Consultant at DIYblinds. The design brief for this project was something that fit with a really coastal, modern aesthetic. The client had chosen a lot of natural materials and we wanted the window furnishings to reflect that. We wanted something that was going to last a really long time and that was going to look beautiful throughout the home. The way this house is designed, it's in two distinct zones with the master bedroom suite to one side and a separate zone for all the living and extra spare bedrooms. We used a really beautiful blended fabric that's 50% linen and 50% polyester to give that fabric some stability. The style we chose for the curtains was an S-fold. We created built-in pelmets to conceal all of the window furnishings, and all you can really see is some beautiful fabric falling from the ceiling. We also were able to fit the roller blinds up into these built-in pelmets to fully conceal them when you wanted to roll them up out of the way, and that just gave it a really seamless look. We used sheer curtains in the lounge and dining space. We wanted to be able to add some privacy, especially between the two zones. Something that could be used at different times of day when there are different needs and the level of light control that they needed. The sheer curtains were really great for this. We could split them into different sections. They had the flexibility to close some areas while others were open. It enabled us to really create some intimate spaces in a zone that was largely open plan. In the living space, we needed to have something to cover this large picture window, something that was going to work with the bench seat. So we went with a roller blind. We needed something that was going to reduce the glare on the TV. So we just needed something that would really help to diffuse the light without blocking it out completely. Really what we wanted to do with the length of that hallway, use the curtains to draw you down the passageway and walk you into the master bedroom. So here in the master suite, we used sheer curtains from our Burano range and we chose colour vanilla, which really added some warmth to the space with the white walls, and it was a colour that really tonally worked well with the flooring. We've also added behind roller blinds to block out the light completely. So we wanted to make this room really incredibly functional, and to do this with multiple blinds in the room, we motorised all of the blinds so that the client could press the button once and all the blinds go down together. Pre-planning for this project was incredibly important. The client had really thought about what they wanted to achieve early on, and that was super important for making sure that the window furnishings fit into the space rather than were an afterthought. They were built into the home along with all the other materials that we used to create it.